So the boss liked how I cleaned the other machine, so he's like, why don't you do all of them? Okay.
Let's not do it.
I'm gonna get these windows. You see there's dirt all over them. That's a little better. Alright, good morning folks. We got a super busy day today of moving dirt. And dirt in a couple spots. So we're in the blue dump truck. And we got a few spots to move some dirt. And then where they went and they tore out some a walkway that was behind these houses by the main street. Well, the back property line of these houses were in like the middle of this walkway. So I don't know if they thought about that before they developed it or when, I don't know. But a different company came in and tore out all that asphalt yesterday. And so now there needs to be dirt because they got to extend the backyards out, some like 15, 20 feet. So that's the plan for today. You can see that our 5-yarder right there. We got the 312. Gonna load out, start hauling more dirt. How close am I to that? Little hard. Come on now. Oh, I love this machine. I don't get to operate it very often. It's mainly for dig outs, and we've done a lot of clearing with it, moving rocks. But it's mainly a dig out machine. It can cut pretty well and trying to move this to where I can reach it. on top of that pile, getting some of this dirt piled up. So it looks like they're starting more foundations. Well, that's cool. That means we got more utilities coming up. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Helps the channel be seen a lot. And thank you for watching. Comment, hit that thumbs up. All right, so a lot's happened. I got that load of dirt there to help the concrete guys. We had to talk about that gas line over there. We went to lunch, and now we're back. So I'm gonna do one last load of dirt, and I'm gonna hop in the 259 skid steer, start pushing all that dirt around to where we need it. Yeah, so Steve broke the other side with the backhoe. It's a pain in the butt. That's when the brakes went out and he just slammed right into it. So that's why we got the 312 here to load out today. Alright, so we got our last load of dirt dumped over there. Frank's got all the dirt he needs over there. And I'm going to hop in there and go over there. Understand all that? Alright, so we got all that dirt spread out. Got the 308 in here. I came through, graded out the front yard a little bit. It's nothing but rocks. Can't really grade rocks. I mean, I guess you probably could. Look at that big old thing. I took out a bunch over there. There's a bunch over there. Yeah. So anyway, the dirt I moved in here is a lot better dirt, less rocky. Still rocky, but a little less. Well, I'm gonna get this all graded out all nice and pretty. Forgot to hit record. I was sitting there doing all that. Either way. This house on the right here probably sits a foot higher than this house over here. So probably gonna have to add an area drain somewhere over here. Alright everyone, it is that time. We're all graded out here. Frank's gonna grade his way out here. That's why this is still a mess, because he needs to use this dirt to push that way. Anyway, I want to say thank you for watching. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below for me, please. Thumbs up, comment, maybe share it with your friends and family. And catch you on the next one.